not required. It may be propagated to the more important ones.
Uh, a reading from the teachings of Mother Maria Victoria Piedad. You need constant reminder. You need guidance towards self-realization so as to be able to go within and feel that light and love. This is not only for you now who has access to this teaching. It is also a matter of implementation and dissemination by you, the leaders of each Brahmoki shrine, to give time to let all Brahmoki go through experiences of meditation and going within. It is no longer the outward manifestation of worshipping God. It is now connecting to the God within, experiencing Him and letting that light glow from within your heart so that you become the light of the world. It is now time to shine Brahmoki. It is this light within that will save you. It is this light that God sees within it, when it is time to pick you up, when you need your life when you end your life on earth. It is the sign that you have awakened to yourself, to that God within, showing God that now you know who you are, and I am that you really, and the I am that you really are. Awaken yourself, Brahmoki, and be aware of who you are. When you know that you have connected to me, you will then realize that you do not need anyone to save you, but you yourself. In this connection, my realization was to be able to, because it's hard to just say I have God within, and we're trying to change that God within to be the creation, the spirit of creation within. And in doing so, you have to picture yourself. You have to picture that light of the spirit, that spirit within yourself, like a straw or a beam of light from here down. And in having that consciousness of that light within, you increase your vibration, you raise your vibration. And that's the way to raise that vibration within yourself. There are times when we do not, or we forget to practice the teachings we have learned. Para bang complacent tayo because it's in everyday life, and then we come to a point na what's happening with me. That's the realization part, the realization time, that in your being alone, in your quiet times, you realize that, oh Lord, Father, or the creation, I use creation now. I realize that I have forgotten, I have missed being one. See, so those moments you go back and then realize that, hey, nalihis ako. So babalik ka ng konti-konti. Uh, with that, with the 12-point meditation that I gave you, nakakabalik ka ng maigi eh. Mas madali ang pagbalik kasi it's all about you. And I use the number 10, which is I am one with the creation's consciousness and with myself. Why myself? Because that God within you is one with the creation's consciousness. So I am one with creation's consciousness and with myself. Why with myself? Because that is one with the creation. You are one with the creation. Okay. So any input on your part? Now we go to the consecration. 20. You consecrate and I consecrate with water.
This bread symbolizes the body of Mother Maria Victoria Vera Piedad, 01230-6-4, who came to gather us from previous life encounters as Bromoki to show and demonstrate to us unconditional love and allow us to experience freedom of the soul.
This water symbolizes the life of Jesus Joseph, who embodied the negative vibration of the people on earth, and upon his ascension, he perfected the order of redemption. This bread and water combined symbolizes the oneness of Mother and Jesus Joseph as the final two witnesses, prophesied in the Apocalypse chapter 11 verses 1 to 12. I now partake of this bread, which symbolizes the body of Mother Maria Victoria Piedad, 01230-6-4, to nourish my body and spirit and raise it to a higher vibrational frequency. Ay, mali pala, no?
Yung tubig.
Pwede pala, I will give it, receive the love of Mother. Tapos sabi, sa sagot ng tao is to be sure. Kalimutan ko yun.
Sure.
Ibibigay ko pa isa. Receive the love of Mother, to be sure. Of Mother, to be sure.
And what about the water? Ang tubig.
Tapos, you can share this one. Parang ano, the drink. Now we go to the guided meditation. We want to sit down and
Kaya sabihin yung I celebrate the God within you. Patapos na yan.
Asan ba yun? Asan ba yun? I celebrate God.
Yeah, celebrate the God within you.